2 plus 2 gives us 4. And 20 times 4 is just 80. So 80 divided by 80, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here in this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and this parentheses. We need to pay attention that here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay? According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, not this multiplication. If we do this division before this multiplication, it is correct. Okay? So first this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 2 plus 2, which equals 4. So 80 divided by 2, then times 4. Now we have one multiplication and one division. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So now we have to do this division, not this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. Okay? 80 divided by 2 gives us 40. Okay? So 40 times 4, which equals, here we have 20. And 80 divided by 20 is just 4. So 4 times 4, which equals 16. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 16.